name is Oak. Some people call me the Pokemon Professor. This world is inhabited by creatures called Pokemon. For some people, Pokemon are pets. For others, use them for fights. Myself, I study Pokemon as a profession. Pick a Pokemon. You can only have one, and it has to be Pikachu.
I'll take Pikachu.
Well, in that case, I'll take Pikachu.
I'll still take Pikachu.
Before you begin your journey, let me teach you a few tricks. Watch out in wild grass. Wild Pokemon like to hide here. There's one now. So I just threw this baseball-sized contraption at the Pikachu that was about 10 meters away from me. If the Pikachu started to run at a rate of about 15 meters per second away, when the Pikachu is 30 meters away from me, how fast is the distance between the Pikachu and me increasing? If we assume that the Pokemon was 10 meters away, and that Pokemon was running at 30 meters per second past me, how fast is the distance between the Pikachu running away from me increasing when it was 50 meters away?
Let's try drawing a diagram.
Okay, so we know that the Pikachu is running at 30 meters per second, so x has to equal square root of 800, right?
Yeah, and then we need to find dy dt for y equals 50.
So how far away it is from us. So then we use Pythagorean theorem, right? X squared plus 24,000, 2,400 equals y squared.
That's a perfect related rates problem.
Yeah.
And then we derive it.
And then we plug in the variables that we already know, and then we can find dy dt.
Which ends up being 16.9705 meters per second.
Yay! Professor Oak, we're so smart.
Yeah. Now go, young trainer. Go and face your destiny.
What do you want, bro? Let's battle. Go, Pikachu! Pikachu, use Sand Attack. Pikachu, use Tackle. You missed. Pikachu, Sand Attack. Pikachu, use Tackle. Missed again. Pikachu, one more time. Pikachu. Oh, I give up. Professor Oak.
We find our hero faced against an enemy who will not even let his Pikachu attack back. Every time he is attacked by sand, the rate of his accuracy lost is increased. So by demonstrating in this chart here, you see how much the rate is increasing.
Oh, okay.
There's two ways to evaluate the integral of how much your accuracy has decreased: the trapezoidal rule and Riemann approximations.
I'll pretend I know what that means.
By using RRAM approximations, we find that that value is something like 0.17. By using LRAM, we find it to be something like 0.08. Neither of these are completely accurate, so a more accurate method would be to use the trapezoidal rule.
So?
So, by making pseudo-trapezoids over the function, we find that the most accurate value is 0.125. So your accuracy has decreased by 12.5%.
Wow, is that a lot?
Well, not if you use the attack that never misses.
Oh, I see.
Hey, I guess I'll just use a move that can't miss. No! My poor Pikachu! Pikachu, use Iron Tail!
No.
Pikachu!
rock mountain. There's like 1 billion Zubats in there. Can you tell me the population?
Well, actually, as a matter of fact, I can, using the logistic growth model. The standard form for growth of populations is m over 1 plus ae to the negative kmt, where m is the maximum, a is some constant, and k is some constant. T is our variable. So this shows a normal growth rate of this.
Oh, interesting.
So we see that it reaches a carrying capacity at something like 10, which is its maximum. Over a period of 10 Pokeball years, we see the population in a cave turn to this. As you can see, every other Pokemon is slowly increasing, but Zubats start to take over very quickly. And this is shown again in the second graph.
Ugh, I hate Zubats.
So, if we look at the specific growth of the Zubats, we see that they grow exponentially when compared to the growth of every other Pokemon.
So every time I go in a cave, I'm never gonna find anything else besides a Zubat?
Eventually that may be true. As you can see, the number of Zubats quickly outgrows the other. This is because as you derive the growth rate of the Zubats and the other Pokemon, we see that the rate of Zubats just keeps increasing while the other Pokemon reach a carrying capacity.
Oh no.
Yeah, that can be very bad for our Poke diversity. Congratulations for defeating the Pokemon lady. It's really an achievement, young man. And you did it only with one Pokemon, your Pikachu.
Is that not normal?
As a matter of fact, it isn't. In statistics and probability theory, standard deviation, represented by the symbol mu, shows how much variation or dispersion exists from the average. On average, each Pokemon trainer that defeats the Elite Four has something around 6 Pokemon in their stack. You only had 1. Usually, the standard deviation is 1 to 2 Pokemon, as some people must catch extras to teach them surf and whatnot. But you only had 1 Pokemon. That is to say that you are nearly 3 distributions away from the mean, which means that you represent 0.1% of the population that becomes champion. Which is to say, it's very unusual for someone to beat him, especially with 1 Pikachu. Your rival, Blue, as a matter of fact, also tried to defeat the Elite Four with 1 Pokemon. So you two are very exceptional.
So that means I'm cool, right?
I guess.
Ash battled bravely in his first Pokemon League competition, and although he lost one crucial match, our young hero won a lifelong friend. Now he's more determined than ever to achieve his dream of becoming a Pokemon master.
Now go, young trainer. Go and face your destiny. Watch the duck shit.
Oh, it does.
Darn it, I missed that one. Well, the rate at which that Pikachu is running away was really fast. I wonder how fast was it? Darn it, I missed that Pikachu. Oh well. But wow, you see how fast it was going? I wonder, how fast was it? 3, 2, 1, but I didn't see it. Oh, that's right. I'm just kind of like shocked about that. And it doesn't matter how much we record because I can always edit it out. So I just threw this baseball-sized contraption at the Pikachu about 10 meters away from it. I can be recorded over there. There's no Pikachu.
You can just have me in the middle of me walking too, because I'm...
Okay, then start walking.
Okay.
What do you want, bro? Let's battle.
Okay, go.
What do you want, bro?
Just start whenever. Yeah, we're already recording.